A very warm good morning to all of you. Myself Shraddha Jain, TGT Science, Adinath Public School. I hope you all are very well students as well as enjoying your holidays with the work given by school. Okay students, so today we are going to start our second chapter. But first of all we have to remind some key point of chapter 1. Like in previous chapter, food where does it come from? We have learned about the ingredients of food, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, animals, as well as food comes from plant, food comes from animal, etc. The second chapter is also correlated with your first chapter, and the name of the chapter second is components of food. Here we will learn about the different components of food. Here students, first of all we have to know that food is made up of different kinds of ingredients, or we can say that the different kinds of ingredients can make the food. Now in ingredients we can add some nutrients, some roughage, dietary fibers, water, etc. Here the carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, these are the kinds of nutrients present in the food. Okay students, you have to know that the single food item doesn't contain all kinds of nutrients. So you have to eat the variety of food to get all the nutrients. Like you have to eat paratha, you have to eat bread, jam, egg, upma, poha, dal chawal, sabji roti, idli, everything. If you will eat everything, then only you can get the all kinds of nutrients inside your body. Okay students, now I will tell you about the nutrient, means the definition of nutrients. Nutrients are the substance in our food that are needed by our body for its growth, maintenance, repair and function properly. If you want to grow up, if you want to maintain your body, and if you want to repair, it sometimes happens, है ना? Or if you want the proper functioning of body, then the nutrients is the compulsory for the body. These are the main substance. These substances are needed to your body. So that's why you have to take the proper diet. Okay students? Now we can see here the carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins, minerals. So carbohydrate and fat, these are the energy giving food. These are the food which can give the energy to our body. Whereas the protein is body building food. Why it is called the body building food? Because protein helps us to fight diseases and infections. So that's why it is called the body building food. And whenever I am talking about the vitamins and minerals, the vitamin and minerals are the protective food. They can protect our body. So that's why they are called the protective food. So basically what we can say that carbohydrate and fats are energy giving food, proteins are the body building food, and vitamins and minerals are the protective food. So first we have to start with the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates found in our food in the form of sugar and starch. Okay students? So in the sugar and in the form of starch we can get the carbohydrate. And the source of carbohydrate include wheat, maize, rice, jowar, bajra, potato, bread, etc. These all are the source of carbohydrate. Means these all kinds of foods are the source of the carbohydrate. If you want to take carbohydrate, then you have to eat such kinds of food. Okay, the next topic is test of carbohydrate. How can I know that this food item contain the carbohydrate? So first of all, I have to take the piece of the food item. I can say that I can take the example of bread. So take a bread. Second point, put 2-3 drop of iodine solution on it. Means put 2-3 drop of iodine solution on the bread. Observe the color of food. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Now we will observe the color of bread. If the food change in the black blue color, it indicates the presence of carbohydrate. The color of bread will change into the blue black color, which can indicate that the bread is containing carbohydrate. If we are taking any material which is not having the carbohydrate, then the color of the substance will not change. Okay students, as you can see here, food plus iodine solution gives blue black color in the presence of carbohydrate. If the carbohydrate is not present inside this, then the color will not change. Okay students, so this is enough for today. Now we will learn this chapter in the next class. Thank you.